Why?
Spending millions of dollars in
Attention citizens of California. The creature or figure known as Experiment 8256H has been filed to be multiplying at an alarming rate. Markers shown on this map are an indication of 10 cases per marker and are growing exponentially fast. About 430 cases were filed in the past year of incidents of these figures taking people from their homes. But it is advised to stay in your homes. Do not set foot outside. Lock doors immediately. And wait further instructions. Army and other officials are already contacted to the issue. Stay calm and stay safe.